Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Are you looking to make your Notion pages stand out with eye-catching highlights? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the easiest way to highlight text in Notion, so your notes, tasks, and projects are more organized and visually appealing. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add colored backgrounds to your text, making important information pop every time you open your workspace. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to start by adding some text to your Notion page. The fastest way to do this is by typing a /, the R key, followed by the word text. This little shortcut is a big help in Notion. It calls up the block menu and lets you insert a basic text block instantly. So type text in your Notion page and hit enter. You'll see a fresh, empty text field appear where you can start typing your content. Whether it's a key point for your meeting notes or a to-do list item you want to emphasize, just go ahead and add your text. I recommend you type something meaningful that you'd like to highlight, maybe an action item or an important reminder. Once you've entered your text, it's time to select the part you want to highlight. Just use your mouse or trackpad to click and drag over the specific words or sentences inside the text block. This part is really important. Highlighting helps draw your eye to what matters most, so be intentional about what you select. Maybe you want to emphasize a deadline or a motivational quote. Take a moment to carefully select exactly what you'd like to stand out. Now, with your text selected, you'll notice a little pop-up menu appears right above or below your selection, almost like a mini toolbox. Look for the option labeled Text Color and give it a click. This isn't just for changing the color of your letters, it also lets you add background colors, which is perfect for highlighting. You'll see a variety of color choices laid out, for text and for backgrounds. We're looking for the section that says Background. Just click on any color you like. Yellow is classic for highlighting, but feel free to experiment with other colors that suit your Notion theme or your personal taste. Once you've clicked on a background color, immediately you'll see that the chosen words or sentences now have a colored background behind them. Think of it like using a highlighter in a paper notebook. It makes your important text easy to spot, even at a glance. If something looks off or you change your mind, don't worry. You can always repeat the process, selecting the text and choosing another color until you're happy with the result. And that's really all there is to it. You've just learned how to highlight text in Notion, making your workspace brighter and more effective. Maybe use this trick to call out action items in your notes, or organize different sections with color coding. The next time you review your page, you'll be able to spot what matters most in a fraction of a second. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel. If you have any questions or want tips on how to organize your Notion pages even further, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and have fun customizing your Notion workspace.